All right, the third chunk of our lesson covers questions 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to start here. It says the first step in standardizing the data values for Mr. Trent's class is to calculate each value's deviation from the mean. For each data value, calculate the deviation from the mean by doing x minus x with the line over it, which is, remember, the mean, and fill in the second column of the table. Leave the third column blank for now. So, recall that our mean earlier from problem number 5 was 6.5 hours. So we're going to take each one of these values and subtract by 6.5. So 2 minus 6.5. So notice I am going to write down negative 4.5. Going to do the same. 4 minus 6.5. That's going to be negative 2.5. I'm going to do 5 minus 6.5. That's going to be negative 1.5. Now recall in one of the sections we did earlier when we found the mean absolute deviation, we did the absolute value bars. Here we're not doing the absolute value, we're just subtracting. So this is going to be negative 0.5. Here this is going to be a positive 0.5, a positive 0.5, a positive 0.5, a positive 1.5, a positive 2.5, and last on this one is a positive 3.5. So I've done my deviation from the mean. I'm going to leave that kind of up at the top so you can still see it. We're moving to 9 and 10 as well. Okay, it told me to leave that third column blank for now, so I did that. It says calculate the sum of deviations from the mean. Now, I'm calculating sum. Remember that sum means addition. So I am adding my deviation. So I'm adding this entire column. So I'm going to show you my calculator here, okay? I got negative 4.5 plus negative 2.5 plus negative 1.5 plus negative 0.5 plus 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and we get 0. Calculate the sum, I got 0. Explain the numerical value that you calculated in 0. And here it states, because we are subtracting each value from the mean, from the mean, and then adding the sum is 0. Because if I added all the numbers up and divided by 10 to get the mean, it makes sense that they should be equally apart, both positive and negative, from the mean. Gonna stop with this chunk of my lesson.